Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Walmart out in the garden center to show you all what they have left over. So hey, come along with me and let's explore the garden center. So here guys, we have the juniper and they are only $8.84. Yeah, so that is a great price on these, and these grows really well. I'll insert a picture of the ones that I have. Alrighty, moving on to the Leyland Cypress. They are $19.84. So let's see. They're in a 2.25 gallon pot size. Yes, for this beautiful Leyland Cypress. They have a few of the fruit trees left over for $12.84. This is the blueberry. Yes, these are blueberries, and they also have lemon trees left over for $24.97. A good bit of ferns left over, and they are $14.88. They're not on sale just yet, and they still look pretty good. This one is the macho fern for $14.88. More ferns here. Oh, this is nice. Look how small they look. The leaves are so small. I like that. More of the macho ferns over here, and Kimberly ferns. So let's see how much Miss Kimberly is. The Kimberly ferns, they are $14.88. A few more trees are left here, guys, for $29.74. So this one is the red maple. This one is the crab apple tree. I wish they were on sale. Okay, they have this apple tree here. These Japanese maple trees, they are $19.97. Need part sun 4 to 6 hours. And this is a 2.5 quart size. Water weekly during dry periods. It grows 15 to 20 feet tall, and you want to space it 15 to 20 feet apart. Hardy to zone 5, -20. And yes, it is an absolutely beautiful tree. Only if you have patience for it to grow. So yes, $19.97. The Dwarf Alberta Spruce for $29.74. So this one needs full sun. Water 2 to 3 times per week. So it says this one gets 6 to 8 feet tall, and you want to space it 4 to 5 feet apart. Hardy to -50. Okay. This is in a 2.25 gallon pot. They also have the smaller one for $14.97. And this one is a 2 quart size. Few of their azaleas over here. This is the smallest one they have, and it is $8.84. So this one needs 3 to 6 hours of daily sun. Water regularly until established. It gets 3 to 4 feet tall, and you want to space it 3 to 4 feet apart. Hardy to -20, and it blooms in the springtime. Such a beautiful white flower. Alrighty, so they have this one. And this one is $19.84 in a 2.25 gallon pot. So we have options, guys, to get the smallest one or the larger one. And here we have the rhododendrons, and it is $14.97. So this one needs 3 to 6 hours of daily sun, water regularly until established. It gets 4 feet tall, and you want to space it 4 to 6 feet apart. Hardy to -20, and it blooms mid to late spring. Oh yes, that's a great deal, guys. And they look really pretty too. More azaleas here. And we have a few of the flowering trees here. So the first one is the Althea for $19.84. You can tell it's going to be beautiful. So this one It is in a 2.25 gallon pot. It needs 6 hours or more of sun. Keep well watered. It gets 8 to 12 feet tall and spaces 6 to 10 feet apart. And it says it blooms in the late summer. Yes, purple Azalea. Alrighty guys, so the remaining of the trees over here are going to be the crepe myrtles. Okay, this one is 1984 in a 2.25 gallon pot. It needs full sun, 6 hours or more, water regularly until established. It gets 15 feet tall and you want to space it 15 feet apart. Hardy to zero, and it blooms summer to autumn. Oh yeah. We have another one for my crepe myrtle friend, if you're watching. Yes, more affordable here. Ooh-wee. These ferns looks really nice. Somebody has been watering these, and I like it. Yes. Okay, so this is a 6-inch desert rose for $14.96. It blooms spring and the summer. So this succulent is $8.96. Beautiful. Nice guys. Now these are $6.96 here. $6.96. As well as that one. Okay, these are $6.96. This one is $8.96. Yes, $8.96 on these. These are $8.96. Alrighty. Beautiful. Dianthus in a hanging pot is $9.97, but we're gonna need that to go on clearance. The hibiscus are $14.97. Let's see. This is the Luna hibiscus. It needs full sun and it needs to be watered 2 to 3 times per week, and it's in a 1.5 gallon pot. So it gets 24 to 36 inches tall. The spacing is 24 inches. Protect from frost, and it blooms spring to summer. Okay. Palladiums, they are $4.97. More petunias and impatiens and vincas for $5.97. Alrighty friends, so this is the Toria. It is a shade annual for $5.97. I think this is the first time I've come across this one. Alright, so let's get a few specs. So it needs 1 to 3 hours of daily sun. Keeps soil evenly moist. It gets 6 to 10 inches tall. Space it 8 inches apart. Protect from frost, and it blooms only in the summer. Salvia, $5.97. Yes, it is blue salvia, and this one is a perennial for $5.97. This is the Platycodon. It is a perennial for $6.88. It is full sun, water 2 to 3 times per week. It gets 8 to 24 inches tall, space it 12 inches apart, hardy to -30, and it blooms in the summer. All right, friends, we have more of the hibiscus over here for $14.97, and this is in a 3 quart size. The Mandavillas are $14.97 in a 3 quart size. The Mandavilla on the trellis is $14.97. It's pretty. More hibiscus here for $24.97. This one is in a 2.25 gallon pot. We have a different size here for $16.97. This is the Hibiscus bush salmon. Okay, so this one, it needs full sun. It gets 2 to 6 feet tall, and the spacing is 2 to 6 feet apart, hardy to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms in the summer. Plenty of the Mandavillas left over here. The smaller pots are $5.84. The hanging pots are $14.97. And they have a larger pot here for $14.97. This one here. What size is it? 2.5 quart size. Asiatic Lilies, they are $6.98. This is a 2.5 quart size. Okay. Oh man, this is nice. This is the ground cover stone crop for $6.88, and this is a perennial. That's nice, and that price is not bad at all. The Zenas for $6.97. Absolutely beautiful. Trail and Vinca for $9.97. Sunfinity sunflowers are $17.88, but no way. It's time to either trash these or put them on sale. They're beautiful if you take care of them. They're really beautiful. Alrighty, here we have the Rebecchias for $6.88, 2.5 quart size pot. All right, a couple of hostas are left here by Better Home and Gardens for $8.98. So we have that one, same ones, they only have 3 left. These hanging pots are $9.97 here. So we have the Begonia, New Guinea Impatience. And this one's really pretty. $9.78. These sun combos are by Better Homes and Gardens, and they're not on sale yet. They're still $21.74. African marigolds, they're $8.88. Delphinium, $8.97. All right, guys, these pentas are $7.88. The leaves still look pretty good. Catharanthus, $9.97. This one, these full sun, it gets 6 to 10 inches tall. You want to space it 12 to 18 inches apart, and water only once weekly. Okay, so it says hardy to zone. It doesn't say. It says protect from frost, and it blooms spring through autumn. Begonias for $9.97. This blue-green one is $19.97. It was $24.97. They also have it in gray, and this one is $19.97 as well. This is a Stack and Sling Chase Lounge for $76. These Proven Winners containers are $29.97, but oh no, not right now. Oh yeah. Well, all right, my friends, that is it here today at Walmart out in the Garden Center. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. And I just want to say thank you guys for checking out my merch, and thank you for shopping my links below. I do appreciate you all. It really helps my channel out. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.